In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion. Here is a simple scene with a twisted torus. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I'm using Workbench with random colors, and the image size is 512 by 512 pixels. In this example, we're only using one color. The ControlNet we're using is a segmentation, and it produces a better result when there are multiple colors in the image. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. I'll show you how to randomly separate the faces, so we can have multiple segmentation in a mesh. In Object Mode, press F3 and look for Cell Fracture. This is how we generate randomly separated faces in Blender. By using this image, we can generate far more interesting segmented Stable Diffusion images. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.